Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lena. We're really happy you're here tonight.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for spending your evening learning English with us.
Let me ask you something. Are you relaxing at home right now?
Maybe you are tired after a long day.
Today, we're talking about English for nights, simple talking practice you can enjoy in the evening.
Yes, calm English for nighttime, when you want to relax and listen.
It's night now.
Yes, it's around 9 o'clock.
The day feels quiet.
The weather is cool and peaceful.
I like nights like this.
Me too.
Nights help me slow down.
Slow down means relax and take it easy.
Lena, how do you usually feel at night?
I feel calm, but sometimes tired.
Same here.
Tired means you need rest.
After work, I like simple things,
Like what?
like sitting quietly and having tea.
That sounds nice.
Do you drink tea at night?
Yes, I do.
What kind of tea?
Usually green tea.
I see. At night, my house feels different.
How?
It's quieter.
Quiet nights are good for thinking.
Sometimes I think about my day.
Me too.
I think about work and family.
That's normal.
Tonight, I feel a little busy in my head.
Busy means many thoughts.
Yes, many thoughts.
What do you do when that happens?
I try to breathe slowly.
That helps.
I also listen to calm music.
Music is relaxing.
Relax means calm.
Exactly.
English at night should feel relaxing too.
Yes, not stressful.
That's why we talk slowly.
And use simple words.
Simple English feels friendly.
Very friendly.
Lena, what do you usually do before bed?
I prepare for the next day.
Prepare means get ready.
Yes, I plan my morning.
I sometimes forget to plan.
That happens.
Then my morning feels rushed.
Rushed means too fast.
That is a small problem for me.
What is your solution?
I write one small note.
That's a good idea.
Just one thing to remember.
Simple plans work best.
I should try that more often.
You should.
At night, I also like light food.
Like what?
Soup or fruit.
That's healthy.
Heavy food makes me sleepy.
Sleepy means ready to sleep.
Yes, very sleepy. Lena, do you study English at night?
Sometimes.
Is it easy?
It depends.
Depends means it can change.
Yes.
Sometimes my mind is tired.
That's why night English should be light.
Light English means easy English.
Exactly.
Short sentences.
Calm voices.
Talking like this helps me listen better.
Me too.
I don't feel pressure.
Pressure means stress.
Yes, stress.
Night English should have no stress.
I agree. Let's practice a simple night question.
Okay.
How was your day?
My day was good, but long.
Long means many hours.
Yes.
What did you do today?
I worked and came home early.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I worked, then had dinner with my family.
Family dinners feel warm.
Warm means comfortable and kind.
Yes.
After dinner, I felt relaxed.
That's good.
But then I felt sleepy.
That's normal at night.
Do you feel sleepy now?
A little.
Me too.
That means it's a good night conversation.
Yes, calm and slow.
Perfect for listening practice.
Sometimes people feel lonely at night.
That can happen.
Talking helps.
Yes, conversation helps you feel connected.
English conversation can be like company.
That's a nice way to say it.
You're not alone when you listen.
Exactly.
At night, I like gentle words.
Me too.
Words like calm, quiet, and rest.
Those are good night words.
Let's practice one more question.
Okay.
How do you feel right now?
I feel calm and relaxed.
That's nice to hear.
How do you feel?
I feel peaceful.
Peaceful means very calm.
Yes, very calm. So today we talked about nighttime English.
Yes, simple talking practice for evenings.
We talked about feelings, routines, and rest.
And how to keep English calm and easy.
I think there is more we can talk about at night.
Yes, like bedtime routines and quiet thoughts.
That sounds good.
Very good for the next part.
I'm ready to continue.
Me too.
Welcome back, Lena.
Hi, Adam. It's nice to continue our night talk.
Yes, nights feel calm and slow.
Perfect for easy English.
It's later now.
Yes, almost 10 o'clock.
The house is very quiet.
Quiet nights help me relax.
Relax means calm.
Exactly.
After a long day, calm feels good.
I agree.
Lena, what do you usually do at night?
I slow down.
Slow down means do less.
Yes, less work and more rest.
I like that idea.
At night, I avoid heavy tasks.
Heavy tasks feel hard.
Yes, hard and tiring.
I sometimes check my phone too much.
Oh, really?
Yes, before bed.
That can be a small problem.
It keeps my mind busy.
Busy means many thoughts.
Yes, many thoughts.
What do you do to fix that?
I put my phone away.
That's a good solution.
I read a few pages of a book.
Reading is calm,
Reading English at night is nice.
but only a little.
Yes, not too much.
Short reading is better.
At night, my eyes feel tired.
That's normal.
I don't want to study hard.
Night English should be gentle.
Gentle means soft and easy,
Exactly.
like listening and simple talking.
Yes, like this conversation.
Lena, do you listen to English at night?
Sometimes,
What do you listen to?
calm conversations or slow stories.
Slow voices help me understand better.
Me too.
Fast English is hard at night.
Yes, very hard.
At night, I also think about tomorrow.
I do that too.
I think about work and plans.
Plans can wait.
Wait means do later.
Yes,
At night is for rest.
exactly.
Sometimes I worry at night.
About what?
About work.
That happens to many people.
When I worry, I can't sleep.
That's not good.
What should I do?
You can take slow breaths.
Breathing slowly helps.
Yes, it calms the body.
Body feels heavy then.
Heavy means relaxed.
I like that feeling.
Me too.
Nights should feel safe.
Very safe and quiet.
Lena, do you have a night routine?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
I clean a little, then rest.
Clean means make things tidy.
Yes,
Tidy rooms feel peaceful.
I agree.
After that, what do you do?
I make tea.
Tea again.
Yes, tea is my night habit.
Habit means something you do often.
Exactly.
My habit is quiet music.
Music at night is nice.
Soft music helps me sleep.
Soft means not loud.
Yes, very gentle. Lena, what time do you go to bed?
Around 11 o'clock.
That's a good time.
Enough sleep is important.
Sleep helps the mind rest.
And the body too.
When I don't sleep well, I feel tired.
Tired means no energy.
Yes, no energy at all.
That makes mornings hard.
Very hard. I want better nights.
Me too.
Calm nights help learning.
Especially English learning.
At night, I repeat simple words.
Like what?
Words like calm, quiet, rest.
Those are good night words.
Repeating helps me remember.
Repeating is good practice.
Even short practice helps.
Yes, little by little.
Little means small.
Exactly.
Small steps feel easy.
Easy steps help you continue.
Let's practice a simple night talk again.
Okay.
How was your evening?
My evening was calm and quiet.
What did you do?
I had dinner and rested.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I watched a little TV.
Then what?
Then I turned it off.
Good choice.
Screens make my eyes tired.
Yes, screens are bright.
Bright screens awaken the mind.
That's true.
I like dim lights at night.
Dim means not bright.
Yes, soft light.
Soft light feels peaceful.
Lena, do you talk to family at night?
Sometimes.
On the phone?
Yes, short calls.
Short talks feel warm.
Warm means kind and friendly.
Yes, friendly. Talking helps me feel connected.
Connected means not alone.
Exactly.
Night conversations can feel comforting.
Comforting means making you feel better.
Yes,
English can also be comforting.
I like that idea.
I don't want night English to feel like study.
Me neither.
It should feel like a friend.
A calm friend.
That's why we speak slowly.
And clearly.
Clear words help beginners.
Very much.
Sometimes people learn English at night after work.
Yes, many learners do.
They are tired.
So English should be gentle.
Gentle English is kind English.
I agree.
No pressure.
No stress.
Let's ask one more simple question.
Okay,
How do you feel before sleep?
I feel calm and thankful.
Thankful means grateful.
Yes, grateful for the day.
I feel thankful too.
That's a nice feeling.
So today we talked more about night English.
Yes, calm routines and gentle habits.
We talked about rest and sleep.
And how to practice English softly at night.
I think night English helps many learners.
Especially beginners.
There is still more to talk about.
Yes, like sleep words and bedtime talk.
That sounds good.
Very good for the next part.
I'm ready to continue.
Me too.
Welcome back, Lena.
Hi again, Adam. I'm happy to continue our calm night talk.
Me too. The night still feels quiet.
Yes, very peaceful.
It's late now.
Yes, almost bedtime.
Bedtime means time to sleep.
Exactly.
Before sleep, I like quiet talk.
Quiet talk helps the mind slow down.
Slow down means relax.
Yes, relax and rest.
Lena, what do you think about at night?
I think about the day.
Good or bad things?
Mostly good things.
That sounds healthy.
Thinking about good moments feels nice.
It makes me smile.
Me too.
Sometimes my mind feels busy.
Busy means many thoughts.
Yes, many thoughts.
What do you do then?
I close my eyes.
And?
I take slow breaths.
That helps a lot.
I breathe in slowly.
Then breathe out slowly.
Yes,
Breathing is simple but powerful.
powerful means strong.
Exactly.
Simple things can be strong.
Especially at night.
Lena, do you plan the next day at night?
Sometimes.
What kind of plans?
Simple plans.
Like what?
What time I wake up.
Wake up time matters.
Yes, it helps the morning.
I don't plan too much at night.
That's okay.
Too many plans stress me.
Stress means worry.
Yes, worry.
At night, less stress is better.
I agree. What do you eat at night?
I eat light food.
Light food means easy food.
Yes, easy to digest.
Heavy food makes me uncomfortable.
Me too.
Then I can't sleep well.
Sleep quality is important.
Quality means how good something is.
Exactly.
Good sleep helps learning.
Especially language learning.
When I sleep well, my mind feels better.
That's true.
My mind feels clear.
Clear means easy to understand.
At night, I like to repeat easy English.
Repeating helps memory.
Yes, very much.
What do you repeat?
Short sentences.
Like what?
I feel calm.
That's a good one.
I am tired.
Also useful.
I will sleep soon.
Perfect night sentence.
Talking to yourself helps too.
Yes, self-talk is helpful.
I talk quietly.
Quiet voice is better at night.
Sometimes learners feel shy to speak.
That's common.
At night, no one listens.
That makes it easier.
Easier means less hard.
Yes,
Night practice feels safe.
very safe.
Lena, do you ever feel lonely at night?
Sometimes,
What do you do then?
I remind myself I'm not alone.
That's good thinking.
I listen to calm voices.
Like podcasts or talks?
Yes, gentle English talks.
Gentle English feels friendly.
Like a friend talking.
Exactly.
That's why night English is special.
Special means different and nice.
Yes,
Not loud.
not fast.
Slow English helps beginners.
Very much.
Fast English is hard.
Especially when tired.
I think many people learn at night.
Yes, after work or study.
They are tired but motivated.
Motivation means strong desire.
Yes, desire to learn.
Night learning needs kindness.
Kindness to yourself.
Exactly.
Don't push too hard.
Small steps are fine.
Even 5 minutes helps.
5 minutes every day is powerful.
Power again.
Yes, small power.
Small but steady.
Steady means regular.
I like that word.
Me too.
Steady practice wins.
Always.
Let's practice a short Q&A.
Okay.
How do you feel right now?
I feel calm and sleepy.
Sleepy means ready to sleep.
Yes.
Where are you now?
I'm at home.
When do you sleep?
Around 11:30.
Why at that time?
Because my body feels ready.
That's listening to your body.
Yes, body signals matter.
Matter means important.
Correct.
I think night English should end gently,
Not suddenly.
slowly closing the day.
Like this conversation.
So today we talked about night routines.
Yes, calm habits and soft English.
We talked about sleep, rest, and feelings.
And gentle English practice at night.
I feel more relaxed now.
Me too.
My mind is slower.
That's good before sleep.
I think we are ready to end.
Yes, with calm words.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We hope this night talk helped you.
Thanks for learning English with us.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official.
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.